Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to set up the dashboard with your developer account credentials and list the available assessments. Please, make sure you have performed the actions of the previous video before proceeding. To start, click the three dots on the menu and select View Semantic Model. Then, click File and Settings in the upper left corner. Go to Parameters and fill in the developer email and password with your developer account credentials. To avoid accessing data and wasting your requests, set all the other parameters to a hyphen. After setting up the parameters, click Apply. On the left column, access the semantic model, and here, refresh the data by clicking Refresh and Refresh Now. Now go back to the dashboard by clicking its icon. All the Series Info pages should be filled with their respective available assessments. If nothing changed, refresh the visual by clicking this button. On these pages, you can view the list of available assessments and their respective codes, which will be used to request data later. You may also select a specific assessment to view other relevant information. To start, let us take a look at the Industrial Utilities Prices and Costs Series Info page. Last Final shows the last date for which there's final data for the assessment. Has Forecast indicates if there are forecasts available. History Changed tells if historical data has been revised. Default Currency indicates the currency in which the respective data series is shown when not specified. Default Unit displays the unit in which the respective data series is presented by default. Available Currencies shows the different currencies in which the respective data series can be displayed. And Available Units specifies the units that can be used to display the respective data series. Location indicates the dataset the assessment belongs to. Commodity Specification outlines the specific characteristics of the commodity being evaluated in the price assessment. And Details complements the assessment description with further information, whenever relevant. For the plant construction cost indexes and plant location factors, the structure is simpler and comprises the following fields. Thank you for watching. Please watch the next video to understand how to request and visualize data